Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, says it has concluded plans to support 4,500 small-scale rice and cassava farmers in the oil-rich Niger Delta region. According to the Commission's Executive Director of Projects, Mr. Victor Antai, the initiative is a partnership between the Commission and communities in the 9 states of the region to tackle food insufficiency as well as empower farmers in the region. The intervention agency made this known last week at a brief ceremony held at its corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt, when it received land lease documents from communities participating in the pilot phase of the initiative.
Following through on one of the cardinal points of President Tinubu's renewed hope agenda, which is to boost agriculture for food security and sufficiency in Nigeria, the Niger Delta Development Commission launched an initiative to support and empower farmers across the oil-rich region in achieving this vision. This program of the NDDC will provide inputs and finances, as well as machinery and equipment to farmers for improved yields. The flagship agricultural initiative will focus on small-scale rice and cassava farmers across the 9 states of the Niger Delta region, numbering over 4,500. Last week, representatives of farmers from benefiting communities in the region were at the corporate headquarters of the Commission in Port Harcourt to hand over land lease documents as part of their contribution to the success of the Commission's laudable initiative.
For us in Akwa Ibom, for our farmers, we are ready, we have accepted it, we are so grateful, and whatever we have to put in to make it a success, we are all ready.
We have a very good land, we have the space, we are talking of 500 hectares. We are ready to give more than that.
Immediately you commit me to start planting rice. June, July, August, September, my rice is ready. And then they see, come and take your rice.
The consultant for the agricultural initiative, Mr. Dimieri Kemedi, while outlining the details of the partnership with the farmers, noted that the communities and their farmers must adhere strictly to the letters of the agreement.
Most importantly, the repayment of the value of inputs and services provided by the NDDC. The latter part is very important because it will be the basis for the sustainability of this project and its possible expansion.
For his part, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Commission, Dr. Samuel Obuko, who was represented by the Executive Director of Projects, Victor Antai, said the performance of the farmers will not only enrich their pockets, but will also open up the agriculture sector in the region for more funding opportunities.
You have a great responsibility to set the tune for scaling the successful integration of Niger Delta farmers into modern agricultural value chains, and thereby opening opportunities to other farmers.
The NDDC's Agriculture Empowerment Initiative is expected to empower farmers to produce about 12,000 tons of paddy rice and 10,500 tons of cassava tubers in the pilot phase, with expected yields of 4 tons per hectare for rice and 7 tons for cassava.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,